Pallikaranai Wetland is a freshwater marsh in the city of Chennai, India. Pallikaranai Marshland is the only surviving wetland ecosystem of the city and is among the few and last remaining natural wetlands of South India. It is also one of the prioritized wetlands of Tamil Nadu. The topography of the swamp is such that it always retains some storage, thus forming an aquatic ecosystem. Pallikaranai Marshland acts as a natural wastewater purification system. It helps in reducing water pollution and acts as a biologically diverse ecosystem. This marshland has a recreational, educational and research value. The heterogeneous ecosystem of the marshland supports about 337 species of floras and faunas. Of the faunal groups, birds, fishes, and reptiles are the most prominent. Pallikaranai Marsh is home to 115 species of birds, 10 species of mammals, 21 species of reptiles, 10 species of amphibians, 46 species of fishes, 9 species of molluscans, 5 species of crustaceans, and 7 species of butterflies. About 114 species of plants are found in the wetland, including 29 species of grass. The great egret is a large heron with all-white plumage. Great egrets are tall, long-legged wading birds with long, S-curved necks and long, dagger-like bills. The great egret walks with its neck extended and wings held close. The great egret forages in shallow water, feeding mainly on fish, frogs, small mammals, and occasionally small reptiles, crustaceans and insects. Forages mostly by standing or walking in shallow water, waiting for fish to come near, then catching them with rapid thrust of bill. Purple swamp hens are large members of the rail family, Rallidae. Males are larger than females, males average 1050 grams and females 850 grams. They are chicken-sized birds with dark, shiny indigo or purple feathers and red bills and frontal shields. Their tails are short and they have bright white feathers on the undersides of their tails. Their legs are long, scaly, and orange-red. The marshland also houses one of Chennai's largest official dump sites. Over 250 acres, 100 hectares, of the marsh is choked by half of the city's garbage. The Chennai Corporation dumps 2,000 tons, 2,200 short tons, of waste into the marsh daily. In 2002, in a critical step towards wetland protection, following a public interest litigation filed by residents, the Madras High Court directed the Chennai Corporation to cease dumping of waste. Finally, in 2007, the state government declared 3.17 square kilometers of the marshland as reserved forest. The combined efforts of the citizens, the Forest Department, the Pallikaranai Conservation Authority, and environmental organizations have bolstered the marsh habitat. Construction debris and waste have been removed in parts. Fencing has been initiated, there is increased vigilance against poaching, and efforts at habitat restoration are on. In March 2018, the state government announced that it would commence the eco-restoration of 695 hectares of the wetland under the National Adaptation Fund for Climate Change to be implemented over 5 years from 2018 to 2023. Government of India had prioritized Pallikaranai Mass as one of the most significant wetlands of the country. Let us all emphasize the need of taking action to guarantee the conservation and sustainable use of wetlands for the sake of human and environmental health. Let us unite as one to draw attention to the sustainable use of wetlands and promote conservation efforts. On this World Wetlands Day, we wish Pallikaranai Wetland to restore its natural habitat and survive for future generations to come.